Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are well, and today I'm going to show you how to add data from Excel file to ArcGIS. Okay, I have some data in my Excel and I'm going to directly link my Excel file to ArcGIS. So for this, kindly follow my steps, and before starting my tutorial, I would like to request all of you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. First of all, open your Excel file. At the same time, please open your ArcGIS as well. So I have such type of data in my Excel. If you want to link your file, your Excel data in ArcGIS, then you have to arrange your data by this way: latitude, longitude and other item. Okay, just for example, there are three sub, okay, in these latitudes and longitudes, and they have bought such type of stationery: book, copy, eraser. These are the item of stationery. Now I'm going to save this file into comma delimited file, because ArcGIS can only read comma delimited file. I'm going to save it desktop. Now I'm going to modify save as type in CSV comma delimited data for GIS. Save it. Yes. Now open your ArcGIS and go to add data. Now please link your desktop to ArcGIS by this symbol, by this one, connect to folder. Click on it and just link your desktop, okay, by this way. Okay, now I have saved my CSV file in here. Okay, data for gs.csv. Now click on it and edit. Now after this, you can see that your data has been successfully added in layer. Right click on it and click on display xy data. X field required longitude, always required longitude, and Y field required latitude. If it is not in this order, then you can even click here and you can arrange, okay, which field is suitable. Please remember that, keep in mind that X field always required longitude and Y field always required latitude. And you have to set your coordinate system. This coordinate system has been already fixed in my description, but it is not fixed, then you have to go to edit by this way, and after that please go to geographic coordinate system and go to world over here and click on WGS 1984. Now click on OK. Actually, this coordinate system work for the place from where I have extracted my data for stationary data for shop and stationary items. Click OK. Now data has been successfully added on layer. You can see that if you open attribute table, then you can easily read your added data, that is latitude, longitude, book, copy, eraser, etc. etc. You can even face this data in your own way. I have already make a video about how to face data, how to export data from attribute table in my channel. You can, in my previous video, you can use that video to fetch or extract data from attribute table. So I hope this video is very useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a good day guys. Stay